guard. Take his weapon. Go.
Я услышал разведсводки. Они говорят, что весь этот шухер устроил...
Рот сзади!
Crap, it's off! Fast! Take the shot! Take the shot!
Thank God. Weapons. Almost no ammo, though.
Me too. God damn it.
Shit, stay low. More guys.
Я услышал разведсводки. Они говорят, что весь этот шухер устроил десяток спецназовцев.
Да, не думаю, что десяток бойцов на такое способен.
Я что слышал, то слышал.
Я засёгну его! Это
Light him up!
Подавить!
It'd take an act of God to get through that, or a lot of C4.
Yeah, probably rip the plane apart to do it. You remember the layout of the cockpit?
Yeah, all up here. Don't you worry.
Okay, anyone here ever fly a plane? Okay, well, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Let's go.
All right, enough of this sneaky shit.
That's it. Move up.
They're behind this door.
We're breaching and you're up point.
Once the smoke is in, you light them up.
Go, go, go! Let him up, Chris!
Keep firing!
Hey, America!
Push on, damn it! There's no place to hide here.
Я не вижу сукина сына! Куда он делся, эй!
Let's take it down, Prez. Suppress them.
There it is! The cockpit! Finally! Holy shit, the fucking walls are coming apart!
Where the hell is Kirilenko?
We're about 130 clicks outside of Texas, closing fast. Sarge, we are out of time.
Gentlemen, all the compound you have given me will shield us from the blast. Oh, and for that, I'm very grateful. Enjoy.
It's not entirely true we couldn't get into the weapons room, is it?
Well, no, but
Ah, fuck it already. Retirement would have been boring anyway.
You are too late. We are nearly at 0 point.
I don't think so. Do it.
What? What are you doing?
Get back, boys. Hey, it's showtime.
Marlo, you can do this! Grab a hold of something! All right, let's get the hell out of this thing.
this fucking thing's going down! Come on! Where'd your leg go?
Go, go, go!
When the moon goes down in the valley of time, talking about time. When the sun, yes, the sun.
We're in Texas, home sweet home! Okay. I guess I had to visit sooner or later. Oh, man, what are we gonna do now? Sarge? You ain't saying much.
Oh, I think you gotta ask Marlo here. Thanks to him, I'm officially retired.
Yeah, hell of a job, Marlo.
Me? Ah, shucks, Sweets, what about you?
Oh, I don't know. It was cool, but, you know, this special ops shit, not my style.
Well, now we need to party, and I know an establishment you're gonna love. There's this girl called Chantel, and she can
Squad! Ted, hut!
Gentlemen,
Sir,
at ease. You have the heartfelt thanks of the United States government. Now, I'm sorry as hell to say this, but I need you all to come with me.
but why, sir?
The Russians, they're invading.
Sir. No, they're not, sir. We just blew up that fucking ultimate weapon of theirs. P.S. Invasion canceled, sir.
Not here. They're coming in through Alaska.
Alaska?
There are times it sucks to be right.